Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today video, I'm gonna show you this app, this page that created. So this one, it was help you, especially when you're creating a script on your dialer, so you can convert air from text, word, or PDF, then convert to PHP file or HTML format, so that the format of your script, it will not change, or it looks the same when you upload on the dialer. Okay, so let me show you a sample. So for example, we will upload a script. Okay, okay, so this is the script. So it been read. So this will show format, or let me check other one. There's a script. Let me find the script. Okay, for example, let's see this one. Okay, yeah, example as open script. Wait, let me check. So that um okay, so this one. Okay, so as you can see, this one is a very simple, but when you click the BC dial simple compact HTML, but this one is another layout. So this is the layout of the script. Okay, so we can use, if you want to upload the same layout as your script, so you can use this one. Okay, the responsive, or this one. Okay, but the issue here, once your script is too long, so the dialer cannot load all of that. Okay, so let's try. I will okay, okay, I will use this one. Just copy this one, go to your video dial. Okay, script, add the script like this. Need a space here, submit. And then when you open it, okay, so you will see the almost the same format on our page. Okay, okay, so let me change the color to, okay, submit. So possible the load is okay, you can see. And we can try another format. If we choose the dial thing, this one, so it will looks like this. Okay, okay, simple text. Okay, so the color of the text has been removed, as you can see here. Simple text. Okay, but the other script that we uploaded, it's they retain the color or the highlighted words, something else. Okay, and let's try another one. Let me check this one. What is the type? So this is, yeah, it's a simple script. So if you want to load like this, or you can copy this one and it will show like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, add script again. This one, this one, submit. Okay, so when you preview it, so it's look the same on the file. So it's look beautiful and clean. So, and let's see another one. This again. So if the file, let's see. Okay. So this one, they have some features, but you need to, if you load to, that's too long. So we will choose Dial simple page. As you can see here, it's generating, converting the converting to text page. So you can upload this one now. Okay, S2. Okay, so as you can see now when we preview, so it's look the same and clean. Okay, so you see the image, the script here have been converted to text. Okay, you can see it was image. So if you load that, it goes too long. So dial, it will not, the script, it will not read all the words. So, okay. And then you can assign to campaign. So just go test camp. You can assign, go to the script page. Yep, you can paste over here. Then you can submit. Okay, so hope you are enjoying watching our video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and you will, so that you are able to see the latest video uploaded. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.